Somebody has the hiccups. Of course they're gonna go away. Oh. Hey, big girl. Uh-oh. She does not like these hiccups. You see the camera? Hmm? Oh. Look, her little bow, Shanna Mitchell made for her hat. Isn't it cute? That's enough hiccuping. We've already been doing this for 10 minutes.